Hello, my friends. I just returned from an event over at the art gallery, and I'm going to change my clothes and do a pour today. But first, I would like to show you the shirt I'm wearing. It's from one of my paintings, and I think it's really so fun and cute. It's got a little gather up here, and it's got long sleeves, but I like to pull them up, and it's based on this painting called Tangled. And I think it translated pretty well to the fabric. It's just a really fun shirt. I got lots of compliments on it. And it is on my online clothing store along with a lot of others in a lot of different designs, athletic wear, pants, you name it. So anyway, I'll put the link down below if you're interested in looking. And if you see something, if you are interested in purchasing anything, contact me because I can get you a much better price than the prices you see on the website, on the storefront. So that's that. And I'll be back shortly. Okay, today I am doing a ring pour. I have a pet portrait to do, and I like ring pours for that purpose because I like to nest the pet in kind of the ringy part of the pour, and then the rest serves as a nice support and does not detract so much from the focal point. So that's the idea anyway. We shall see. I'm using Prism Pour paints today, 3 of them. Frosted Berry, Pink, Violet Rose, and a new color called Wasabi. That's from a set called Tropical Pearls. If you're interested in trying Prism Pour paints, I have a coupon where you save 20%, and that's always down below in the description box. I have mixed these 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. They don't recommend using that much Floetrol when you're using Prism Pour paints because they do tend to, a lot of Floetrol tends to dull the intensity of them upon drying. But for my purposes here, I don't want a super sparkly background. I want the background just to enhance my pet portrait. So I'm perfectly happy with the result I get using that mix. So I've got those 3, and then I mixed up some white, and then I combined a couple of purples for a darker color. And that's it. So the recipe, as I said, was 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, no water added, super easy. But as always, I detail the recipe and colors down below. So let's get to it. I think I'll start with the dark. Do probably 2 layers of each. So I'll pour about half of that in there. Here's the violet one, and Prism Pour, you can see the other colors in there, hopefully. It's just lovely, and it ends up giving the entire painting a nice shimmer effect. White, this is not Cloud Mix, it's just regular Artist Loft soft body. Pink. And that lovely green. That is really pretty. What was it called again? Wasabi. That's lovely. I mixed a little more white. I want the background to be on the subtle side. So I think I'll separate that with a bit of white. And now the rest of the colors. I'm reserving. I don't need that much. Top it off with the white and we're ready. Okay. Well, I'm doing a cat portrait and I have cat hair already on my canvas. Hope that's a good sign. There we go. Oh wow, that is pretty. If it's pretty enough on its own, I won't use it for the background. I'll leave it, but who knows? Oh, that's kind of sweet right now. Take a look. I'll hit it with a torch. And tilt. It's a shame I'm going to lose that green. I don't have anything mixed up that I can use as a flow extender. I wonder if I should. You know what? I'm going to pause and mix up some white real quick that I can put around because I don't want to lose that green. I think it's a nice touch. Hold on, please. Okay, I just added some Floetrol and white to the cup I had poured this out with and mix that up real quick. So now I'm going to pour that around. Oops, I didn't start very well. Oh well. I just want to try to preserve some of that lovely green there. And the dark over here. So, hopefully that will do the trick. And here we go. Now, I'm not even opposed to that as negative space. I wonder if I might like to leave that. Not sure. It's an interesting idea. I don't think I will this time, but mix up some white into your cup that has all the colors, and then you're sure to have a color that melds with your your main pour, and use it as negative space. I might remember that for future, but not today. I'm still losing some of my green, but look how pretty that is. Oh, I lost a lot of it. It's on the side. I think I recall that the pet owner likes purple. I think. But again, the focal point will be her cat. So now it's kind of fun. In my mind, I'm picturing where I'm going to place this animal. And it's going to kind of be a close-up of just its kind of head and shoulders. So it's going to probably be here, and I think I'm happy with that other part there. A little more curvature to that part though. Yeah, I think it's okay. Let me turn it towards you, the orientation I see. And yeah, the cat will be here, and it's kind of spacey, magical looking, I think. I don't know. Oh boy. I think it's going to be fine for my purposes. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching, for listening to me think out loud, but that's how I do it. Okay, my friends, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.